Hello kids, let's draw a cute Hello Kitty with heart. Draw with me. Let's draw a circle in the middle. Draw a big loop for one side, and then another loop for the other side. Perfect! Now, let's draw Hello Kitty's sweet face around the bow. Draw her mustaches. Now, let's draw a heart in her hand. Add 2 ovals for her eyes and a little for her nose. There you go. Your Hello Kitty with a heart is complete. Let's make it colorful. Hope you enjoy the video. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.